Assalamu alaikum viewers, I am your host Hamza Amjad. I am a pharmacist. Hope you all will be fine. First of all, go and subscribe my YouTube channel Pharma Medical so that you can easily get notifications of my latest videos. Now, without wasting your time, I am going to start my video. Today, I have to discuss a disease, an infection of lungs. Yeah, I am talking about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an airborne disease. It is an infection of lungs that is caused by a strain of bacteria spread from person to person through air. Everyone knows tuberculosis is abbreviated as TB. Now, what is the history of tuberculosis? In 1867, TB was the leading cause of deaths in Canada, and its causative agent was discovered by a German scientist, Robert Koch, in 1882. Then finally, its treatment was developed in 1950s. Today, TB is one of the top 10 causes of deaths and the leading cause of death of single infectious agent. Now, what are the causes of TB? The most common cause of TB is the inhalation of Mycobacterium tuberculosis transferred through sneezing and coughing. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is found in water, soil, dust and rural areas. Now, what are the symptoms of TB? Symptoms include bad cough that lasts for 3 weeks or more, pain in chest, coughing up blood and sputum, weight loss, no appetite, fever and chills, and the last one, sweating at night. So, all of these are the symptoms of tuberculosis. Now, what are the TB risks? Living with TB infected person, country in which TB is common, healthcare workers in hospitals, infants, children are more easily affected. All of these factors are easily susceptible to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. HIV infected person is 19 times more susceptible to TB. In the same way, alcohol and tobacco consumers are also susceptible to TB. Types. There are 2 types of TB. One is latent TB, that is also called inactive TB. In this condition, bacteria lives in lungs in inactive state. They show no symptoms. It is basically the first stage of tuberculosis. It is an infection of lungs. It is the start of tuberculosis. And the second one is active TB. The next stage of inactive TB is active TB that occurs first few weeks of infection, shows symptoms that has already been discussed in the previous discussion. Now, what are the TB tests? There are 2 tests that are performed. One is TB skin test, that is also called Mantoux tuberculin. Its method is a fluid, that is tubulin, is injected into the person's body. Then after 48 to 72 hours, swelling of the infected area is measured to get conclusion. And the second test is TB blood test, that is also called interferon gamma